Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. Sign in to the Microsoft account you want to fund and verify the account region. Once done, locate the 25-character code on the card or email. Scratch carefully to reveal characters. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, and if on console, press the Xbox button to open the guide. These first steps remove common errors and let you move straight into the redeem flow without detours. You now redeem the code. On console, open the guide, go to Store then Redeem, or press X and choose Redeem Code. On PC or phone, sign in at your Microsoft account and find Redeem under Services and Subscriptions. Enter the 25-character code exactly, using copy/paste for emailed codes to avoid typos. If prompted, choose which account balance to apply to, wallet, subscription, or specific service, and confirm the transaction so the funds appear immediately. Once the code is accepted, apply the balance to the purchase or subscription you want. Subscriptions may auto-renew if selected. If the system rejects the code, double-check the region match, that the code wasn't already redeemed on another account, and that you typed it correctly. You can try the web redeem as an alternate route. If a charge occurred but funds didn't show, check your Microsoft transaction history, and wait 15 to 30 minutes before contacting support with your receipt and code details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.